Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the best car maintenance tips that every experienced driver does. Car maintenance is essential to ensure your vehicle runs efficiently, safely, and reliably. Regular upkeep helps prevent costly repairs by addressing small issues before they escalate. It enhances fuel efficiency, prolongs the lifespan of your car, and maintains its resale value. Proper maintenance also ensures safety on the road, reducing the risk of breakdowns and accidents. A well-maintained car is both economical and dependable, making it a crucial part of responsible ownership. Here's a deeper dive into car maintenance tips with added insights and actionable advice. Number 1. Regular oil checks and changes. What to check? Look at the oil level using the dipstick. Inspect the oil's color, clean oil is amber, dirty oil is dark, and check for a burnt smell. Types of oil. Use the manufacturer-recommended oil, whether it's synthetic, semi-synthetic, or conventional. Synthetic lasts longer and performs better in extreme temperatures. Neglect consequences. Dirty or low oil levels can cause engine overheating, reduced fuel efficiency, or even total engine failure. Number 2. Inspect tires and maintain pressure. Tire alignment and balancing. Check alignment if you notice uneven tire wear or the car pulling to one side. Balancing ensures smooth driving and prevents vibrations. Seasonal tires. Switch to winter tires in cold climates for better grip and safety. Use summer or all-season tires when appropriate. Pro tip: invest in a tire pressure monitoring system or TPMS if your car doesn't have one. Number 3. Keep the battery in good condition. Battery maintenance. Clean terminals with a baking soda and water solution to remove corrosion. Tighten loose connections. Voltage testing. Use a multimeter to test the battery's charge. A fully charged battery should read around 12.6 volts when the car is off. Neglect consequences. A failing battery can also strain the alternator, leading to additional expenses. Replace filters regularly. Signs of a dirty air filter include reduced acceleration, unusual engine sounds, or black smoke from the exhaust. Here's a DIY tip. Most air filters can be replaced in minutes using basic tools, and don't forget the cabin air filter. This not only keeps the air fresh but also reduces allergens and pollutants inside the car. Monitor brake health. What to check? Look for brake fluid leaks, inspect the brake pads for thickness, and ensure the rotors aren't warped. A handy DIY tip: if you hear squealing brakes, it might just be dirt. Clean the brakes before replacing pads unnecessarily. Watch out for warning signs. A spongy brake pedal indicates air in the brake lines, while vibrations when braking suggest warped rotors. Check and top up fluids. For coolant checks, inspect for leaks or low levels in the radiator. Use a coolant tester to check its freezing and boiling point. When it comes to transmission fluid, a low or dirty level can cause hard shifting or slipping gears. Remember to check it when the engine is warm and running. And here's a pro tip: replace fluids with those specified in the owner's manual for optimal performance. Follow the maintenance schedule. Mileage milestones are crucial for a well-maintained vehicle. At 5,000 to 10,000 miles, you should get an oil change, tire rotation, and brake inspection. When you hit 30,000 miles, it's time to replace the air and fuel filters, and check the coolant and brake fluid. At 60,000 miles, you need to replace the spark plugs and serpentine belts. And finally, at 100,000 miles, inspect and replace the timing belts, water pump, and transmission fluid. Oh, and here's a pro tip: use a car maintenance app to track schedules and get reminders. It makes things a lot easier. Inspect belts and hoses regularly. Look out for signs of wear, such as squealing noises from belts and bulges, cracks, or leaks in hoses. A simple DIY tip is to gently press the hoses to check for brittleness. If they feel stiff or spongy, it's time to replace them. And here's a pro tip: always carry a spare serpentine belt for emergencies. Trust me, it can save you a lot of trouble. Maintain cleanliness to keep your car in top shape. To prevent rust, pay special attention to the undercarriage during winter months when salt and road grime can cause corrosion. For interior care, use UV protectants on the dashboard and seats to prevent cracking. And for stains, always use car-specific cleaners to avoid discoloration. Oh, and one last pro tip: invest in quality floor mats to keep dirt and moisture away from the car's interior carpeting. it's a small investment that goes a long way. Listen and pay attention. Understanding the meaning of dashboard warning lights is crucial. Common lights include the check engine, ABS, oil pressure, and battery indicators. Now let's talk about unusual smells. A burning smell could indicate overheating or an electrical issue. A sweet smell is often a sign of a coolant leak, and a rotten egg smell indicates a problem with the catalytic converter. Pro tip: carry an OBD2 scanner to diagnose warning lights before going to a mechanic. Keep the exterior and undercarriage in shape. To protect your paint, apply ceramic coating or paint sealant for extra durability. Inspect for damage, looking for chips or scratches that could lead to rust. Pro tip: use a pressure washer for thorough undercarriage cleaning, especially after driving on salted roads. Emergency kit maintenance is essential. What should you include? Jumper cables, tire inflator, flashlight, basic tools, first aid kit, and a portable phone charger. For seasonal additions, include blankets, ice scrapers, and sandbags in winter. Pro tip: check your spare tire and jack regularly to ensure they're in good condition. Here's a quick daily car checklist. 1. Tires. Check for proper inflation, visible damage, or unusual wear. 2. Fluids. Look for leaks under the car, oil, coolant, or brake fluid. 3. Lights. Ensure headlights, brake lights, and turn signals are working. 4. Windshield. Inspect for cracks and check the wipers. 5. Dashboard. Monitor for any warning lights. 6. Brakes. Test for responsiveness during your drive. 7. Battery. Look for corrosion or loose connections. 8. Mirrors. Ensure they're clean and properly adjusted. These quick checks ensure safety and prevent unexpected issues. By going the extra mile with these detailed tips, you'll not only enhance your car's performance and longevity, but also avoid unexpected breakdowns and hefty repair costs.